Hi everyone. A few days ago, I posted a short TikTok about the snowball method for finding a research gap, and so many of you asked for a complete tutorial. So this video is for all of you who wanted the full detailed walkthrough. So what exactly is the snowball method? Think of a research as a giant library full of stories. When you want a brand new story idea, you start with one good book, then you look at all the books that book mentioned, and finally you see who has mentioned that book since it was published. Your snowball keeps growing until you find a fresh story no one has told. That's what we are doing here. And this process has 4 clear steps. First one is find a seed paper. We need to find a seed paper, and second step is we need to check its reference list for the past research, and we call this backward snowballing. And the third step is forward snowballing. It means we go forward to see who has cited that paper recently, and finally pull together the gaps you discover. So let's move to the lesson. So today I'm taking title as the optimizing renewable energy microgrids for island communities, and for this we need keywords. So I have this keyword, but you need more than around 5 keywords. And remember, this is just one way to discover research gap. There are many methods, but today I'm teaching you this snowball method because it is free, practical, and work across disciplines. Okay, let's back to the lesson. So for today's demo, I'm using this keyword renewable energy microgrid, and now let's start the live process. First, go to Google Scholar. No AI tools needed, just a free Google account. Type one of the keywords into the search bar and press enter. On the left side, use the date filter, choose since 2021 or the most recent year to narrow to the latest studies. Among the results, pick a seed paper. It should be recent, closely related to a topic, and ideally already cited by many authors. Here I am selecting this paper because it is new and well cited. Open the seed paper and scroll to its reference section. This is our backward snowballing step, and here you see every old study that shaped this paper. If you have time, read several of these references to understand the background. If the list is too long, skim and pick the most recent and most relevant ones. For example, I am highlighting reference number 13, 19, 56, 66, 25 because they are comprehensive and around most recent and most related to our topic. After identifying the key past studies, we move to the next step, forward snowballing. Return to the seed papers listing on Google Scholar and click the blue link that says cited by. This shows all the newer papers that have cited our seed paper. Use the left hand filter again and set the start year to the 2021, 2024 or current year. This brings up only the freshest research. These are the papers that extend or challenge the seed paper's finding. Reading the abstracts help you see what questions remain unanswered. That's where you find a genuine research gap. So to recap, the full method is find one seed paper, then scan its references for past work, then click cited by to see the newest work, spot the gap. It's free, it's simple, and it saves you weeks of searching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, if you learned something new, follow me on TikTok, LinkedIn, and visit my website www.smartstems.com for more research tips. And I will back next Wednesday with another step-by-step research video. Thanks for watching and happy snowballing.